Today we will talk about how we can add help desk or customer support for customers. First of all, you just need to sign in on Crisp. If you don't have an account, you can sign up from the below button. After sign in, you will see this dashboard in front of you. For integrations, you just need to click on Setup Now. For integrations, you can choose any platform, but right now we will choose HTML website. You just need to copy this code to paste it in your HTML head section or footer section. You can paste it anywhere. Here we are pasting it in our HTML footer section. Here you can check Chatbot integrated on our website footer. Now customer can text you through the website. You will also get the notifications for every message. You can give replies for the queries. Here you can check my websites where I integrate Crisp Chat. For more videos, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.